We're going to show you a really neat trick. What this is this is an adapter. It goes into an Edison standard screw base, and this is a GU10. This is 120 volts all the way through. And what this is made for is light bulbs that have GU10 bases. In this hand is my GU10 MR16 halogen, and in this hand is a GU10 LED. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to change your recessed lighting fixture and modernize it and use an LED or this little halogen bulb. Pretty cool. And you know, these they go inside the connector like so. Little pin to go in there, and it twists and locks in. Simple as that. All right, so we're going to go up to the ceiling, and we're going to take apart a light fixture, and we're going to modernize it and change it. And I'd like to point out that I think we have over 100 different possibilities with trims and finishes, and we can get you exactly what you want. And this works with 4-inch and 6-inch recessed lighting housings that are set up right now for 120 volts, which is standard household voltage. So you can do this with a 4 or 6-inch. Today we're doing it with a 6-inch, but you need to know. Very, very simple to make this change. So let's go on up, take my stuff here with me, and we're going to go show you how to do it. Here's our existing recessed lighting. I've already taken the light bulb out, and I removed the little springs that hold this trim in place. There's usually 2 of them, sometimes more. And so I'm going to take this out and expose the recessed lighting housing up inside. And I want to point out a couple of things here for you. It's pretty ugly without the trim on it. But see down inside, these are torsion bar, we call them ears in the trade. But these little clips are made for the torsion bar springs, and the springs are going to go in there. Here's the socket down here. The socket's on an adjustable plate. But for this application, we don't need to really do anything. Just kind of make sure this plate is all the way up. And I'm going to show you how we're going to change this to something much more attractive. So today we're going to use a couple of trims. We're going to put this one in first. A lot different than what we took out. And it's looking for a light bulb. And so let me get the light bulb. And the first light bulb I'm going to use, just for now, is I'm going to use this little halogen bulb. If we're going to use the LED bulb that I showed you a minute ago, you're going to have to make a little bit of a change to this spring. And we have a whole video on how to put that other light bulb into this spring. All the trims work slightly different, and then there's a couple of them that won't work at all, and they're noted on our website. And if you have questions, let us know. Now the bulbs go in a little different on each one. Now in this particular trim, the bulb is going to be loaded here from the front. We're going to take this trim out, put this part away for a second, and I'm going to come back around and put the light bulb in here. It just snaps in like that. Simple, simple. And again, if you're using that LED, you're going to take these little tabs right here and take them off. And we have a video that shows you how to do that. So take that, just press it back into the trim. See, right here. Snaps in. And there's the finished thing. And then I'm going to get my adapter. And I'm going to put my adapter on here. Of course, you don't have to stand on the ladder to do this. You can get it already below. Adapter, bulb, ready to go. I'm gonna screw my adapter into the trim. Now it's kind of a long ways up there, so I'm gonna loosen this, and I'm gonna loosen this up. I'm gonna bring this plate. I'm not gonna put my finger in the socket though. And you should always have everything shut off before you work on any electrical. Shut it off with the circuit breaker. So I'm gonna bring this up a little bit and tighten the thumb screw back. Gives me a little more working room. So that's tight. And here's my trim. Take the socket, just screw it in. Make sure you got it all lined up really good. Don't cross thread it. It's going to want to do that just because of the wire. Just make it snug, don't over tighten it. Now we talked about those torsion bar clips. They're over here on the sides. And these are the torsion bar springs. I'm going to grab them. I'm going to work them in here. And I'm going to make it so you can see here in just a second. I know that my hands are in the way and the trim is in the way. So here you go. There they are down in there. Those are the springs that are going to hold this trim in the ceiling. And that's it. Now you have a brand new modern, either LED or halogen trim. We have a whole bunch of them on our website. They're actually very elegant and give your home a more modern and updated look, and also more energy efficient. So we have a number of these trims on our website, like I said. Here's another one of them here. and they all work pretty much the same. You don't need an extra transformer or anything else. Quick and easy, LED available, or halogen.
At Total Lighting Supply, we understand the importance of your time. Not everyone can be a lighting expert. We're not just about selling you light bulbs, light fixtures, and light components. We're also about helping you achieve amazing and successful lighting results in your space. We hope that our video series will assist you in achieving your lighting goals.